This is what the Freestyle Cadence watch looks like when it first comes out of the box. You can see the band and the watch face. It has a really good look. It looks stylish, and the band is really nice and comfortable. This button right here on the bottom left side of the watch is actually basically the mode button for this watch. So if you push this button, slide over to the stopwatch function, which is really important function of this watch, especially for me as a coach. I want to be able to get lap splits for the athletes. So by pushing this button right here in the upper right hand corner, I've started the stopwatch. Now to get laps, I will push this button right down here. So there's a pause so you can see the lap split, which is great. And then the next time that you see appear on the screen is the running current split, not the overall time. So that is one downside of this watch. The fact that there's no overall time on the watch face. The only thing that you can see is the running current split. I'm going to push this button to stop the watch. To clear it, I'll go back down here and I will hold right here. Now you can see it's clearing. And then of course, to move on from this part of the watch, just simply change the mode back to the current watch face. Another feature to take note of is the recall feature that you'll easily find by using this button down here, the mode button, and shifting over to the recall menu. And then I've taken some data that I've taken some fake splits and used those times for an example. So it's important also not to clear the watch before you get this data. So as soon as you get finished getting your splits for whatever you're timing them for, then you go ahead and immediately switch over to the recall screen rather than clearing the watch. And then this feature allows you to scan through. Now you see at the bottom of the watch face it says fast, so this is my fastest lap split. Of course, this is the slowest lap split of the data that was taken. And that's my average time for each of the lap splits that I got during the workout. And then from this point you actually can go through each individual lap split. So I move down to this button on the watch face and I can start scrolling through and you can see third lap, fourth lap, and so on for the workout. So this is actually a pretty cool feature on the watch. It's definitely really helpful to have.